Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to record your screen on a Samsung phone without installing any third-party apps. So let's get started. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Now swipe down again to see the full quick settings menu. Look for the screen recorder icon. If you don't see it right away, swipe left or tap the edit button to add it to your quick settings. Here tap edit. Now from the list of available options, search for screen recorder. If it's already available, then tap it. If not, you can actually download one from the Play Store. This X recorder is something that I downloaded. I will just tap on it. And as you can see, it has been added to my quick panel settings. Once done, tap done at the top right. Now tap on screen recorder. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to record with no sound, media sounds only, or media sounds and mic. Choose your option and then tap start recording. A short countdown will appear and your phone will begin recording the screen. When you are done, tap the stop button in the top right corner of the screen and the recording will be saved automatically in your gallery of screen recordings folder. And that's it. That's how you record your screen on Samsung mobiles. Now you can capture gameplay, tutorials, or anything you want to share. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Samsung tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.